just haven't gotten any new weapons recently. God, there's like a real big investment to simply start a level now. Wait, what was the recommended level? Was it 6 or 7? Shit. I could probably make it through either way. That's the other thing, is you have to remember to unfuck up your level. You know, now that I think about it, maybe you could actually, like, control the level of your guns in the first one. Maybe, I don't know. Oh shit, Revenant? Oh gosh. There you go. Fucking Revenants. This is gonna be a nightmare. Oh, goody goody goshness. And I don't even have Natalia to help me with this. Because she can at least tell me their weak points. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's no like, no whatchamajiggers. Oh, this fucking song. This is like one of my favorite ones. Wait, wasn't there like an alternate path? I don't think it goes anywhere, but I want to see where what it does. Hold on. Oh wait, it's just the cliff, I forgot. Just like in the episode. I wonder if they do eventually tire out, even in raid mode. Well, this is gonna be a bitch. I don't know if I'm super prepared for this. Also, I fucked up my level. Oh, there it is. Alright, so I guess you don't really need to get their weak point, but god, it does a lot of damage. There you are. Trying to figure out where your weak point is. That did it. I think I did a shot. That last shotgun, I think, hit his weak point. So that was good. I'm not looking forward to how many fucking Revenants I gotta kill, you know? Ooh, good shotgun ammo just sitting on there. Hey, you know what? Shotguns are pretty good against these guys, except the reload speed is atrocious. Maybe I should put a reload on this fucking shotgun. It'd be nice if I could just simply get a better shotgun, though. Actually. I'm gonna use the fuck out of this this shotgun right now. Might as well, because I can barely see anybody anyway. Oh man, this shotgun does some work, son. There you go. Get over here, buddy. Even though it's only got 2 shots, which sucks, I would, if I could do capacity and reload speed, that'd be real nice. But here's why I did all that. Got a whole bunch of that ammo back. For free. Oh, they actually give me signs for which way I should go, but I don't want to like miss out on my free weapons and stuff, but they're probably not going to screw me like that. I don't think raid mode's that kind of mode, you know. They don't hide the weapons all that, you know. They're not dicks about it. They'll let you get the weapons. Whoa! He actually came out of nowhere. I might as well keep using this shotgun. It's doing okay work. Where the hell? Oh, it's in the Revenant, I think. Okay, well. Bam! Fucking right in the kisser, dude. Yeah, see? They're not dicks about it. And look, I can just keep using the shotgun because they gave me more ammo for it. Wow, you can just see them all spawning in. Whoa. The shotgun is nice in, like, raid mode because you can actually see the spread happening. God, I need to get, like, sub-weapons, so when I get giant groups of enemies like this, I can just lay them out, you know? Nice, nice, nice. This is just wrecking shop here. More shotgun ammo. Is that a Revenant? Sure as shit is. Oh, good. 29 damage. Oh, I didn't even get his weak point there. Oh, wow. That didn't even kill him. That'll do it. Still got 5 more, though. 5 more enemies around here somewhere. Let's open this up and see if we can't get them to spawn. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. Nobody spawned behind me, right? Alright, good. Oh my god, a super Revenant. That's it. This is like kind of a good way to like figure out where their weak point is. And then just... oh shit. There it goes. I guess you needed to kill all the enemies in this level. Because that was the end, right? I don't think that was a... I don't think I could have killed any fewer enemies. They just all spawned. Anyway, whatever. I got through it. They shouldn't even bother with the genocide medal then, because like seems like I had to kill all of them. Yay! Yay! That's what I want. Now I can actually do an exploding bomb. Oh, I actually got a fucking weapon for once. Too bad it's a machine pistol. Let's look at it anyway. Used a certain number of times. I have a cooldown. I saw that there are like a bunch of record, like they call them records, I guess. But like those little mini achievement things. There's a bunch of them for doing getting basically every character to level 50. That's insane. Gotta evaluate the weapons. Level 11. Garage band? This is capacity, right? Yeah, there we go. So hold on, what was that thing I just got? Oh boy! That's like that's exactly double, isn't it? Sure is, I think. Wow, alright, well sell that shit. I think, wasn't level 50 the maximum level in raid mode? I feel like I got to a point where I've reached the max level and it was basically just like minor differences between the weapons. So, that's pretty good. Let's see. I mean, that's gotta be better than the assault rifle, right? This thing's level 7 now. This thing is a level 7 shotgun. I guess I'll equip this on my person here. I'll replace the shotgun with this thing. Whichever one's stronger, you know. Alright, skills. I can finally put this thing on. Acquire. 3 points, yes. What does this do? Oh, but I can use it twice. That's the best part. That's... let's see. Maybe I'll upgrade it 2 more times. And then... yeah. And then... maybe I can upgrade this some more? I guess so. Might as well. Alright. She's doing okay now. She's doing okay now. What's next? Recommended level 7. There we go. Not messing up that one this time. Well, I can finally use a damn explosive weapon now. Maybe I can actually take on the daily mission. Maybe I should use that shotgun and take on the daily mission. That's the other thing, is you can actually take on the daily mission. You can change your level and take on a different level daily mission. Oh, this is just get to the end, right? Is that what this was? Let's try this thing out. But you still need to, like, route the enemies. You know what the thing though is like it's still based on my level. So just because that's a level 11 weapon and it's super good, it doesn't mean it's actually that good. It's just the best that it could possibly be at my level. That's all that means. It doesn't actually mean that it's any good. What's bad is being level 7 and having a level 6 gun. That's bad. That's the maximum it could possibly be, and it's getting outdated every second. I remember this fucking level 2. They weren't kidding when they said that it is all basically Resident Evil 6 levels. I think I'd much rather prefer the shotgun. It doesn't run out of ammo as fast. That was the other thing, is I was fucking tired of the shotgun or the machine pistol running out of ammo all the time. This thing has a lot less recoil too and doesn't run out of ammo as much. So there's really no point in using machine pistol then. Like, even if you have a good machine pistol, there's almost no point in using it. Unless it is clearly the only good weapon you have at that point. Then I guess you could use it. It's good at close range, but not quite. Not that much. Oh man, the burning guys are so useful. So I can use this, right? Look at that shit. Oh, look at this. That does some damage. Get out of here! Get bent! I guess I can't pick up these sub-weapons though. Oh wait, I can zap that electric thing, can't I? Look, get over here, you big dumb idiots. All of you can just get over here. So I think shock lets you do extra damage to enemies. It doesn't actually do, it does some minor damage when it hits, but it mostly just increases the damage output to enemies for a few seconds. I'm getting pretty close here, aren't I? Alright, wow. There's a lot over there, so I might as well just pick up this ammo and get on my way. Okay. Good gosh. I still got 2 shots with this, with my grenade, too. You know, these ones that crawl on the ground, just get up. I mean, unless their legs are broken or something. Come on, get up. Alright. Here's what I'm gonna do here. Oh, look at that! Well, that helped a lot. Barely had to use any ammo at all, but hopefully they give me some more. Oh, I could really use some more ammo. I got some. I guess maybe I kind of left some ammo behind, but whatever. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to let them get close here. Or at least the big guy. Oh, I don't think I actually hit the big guy with that. Oh, did I miss? Oh gosh. Alright. I could use a nice skill that would, like, refill my ammo whenever I wanted. That'd be nice. And hell, it might even exist. Who knows? Get to the end. Boom! Another one down. Yeah, I'm totally gonna get rid of that fucking machine pistol thing. I'm gonna try the daily mission. Because it does give you a lot of XP. What is that? I acquired quick load. Think about getting parts or getting weapons or whatever. Like, you can actually spend money. It's like $1. You can buy a gun, a level 25 gun. And it comes with parts. So that means if you wanted to do something with the gun or do something with the parts, you have to permanently destroy one of the things you just paid money for. You have to permanently destroy your gun or permanently destroy the parts. And boy, wouldn't you feel like an asshole for doing that. What did I get? Did I get a skill? Oh, maybe it was just... Wait, maybe it's talking about the gesture I got? What's dancing? Okay. Didn't I get another one at some point? I forgot what it was called. Oh, I think it was this one? No, that one was already there. What's this, what'd I get? Did I get something new? Was it the weapon? I got something new. It's still telling me there's something new. I don't know what it means. I might as well do these. What is this? Oh, that's supposed to be an ice symbol. Whoa, whoa, what is this? Customized for a larger hit radius. So this thing already comes with... Oh man, this thing already comes with a thing on it. It was a rare weapon, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot. They do have rare weapons in the game. This. Yeah, look at that. Hold on. No, no, no. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! I unlocked a new character. That's what this shit is. I unlocked fucking... Oh, I unlocked Jill Valentine. She looks kind of weird for some reason. She shouldn't look that weird, but for some reason she does. Maybe she just looks too high def? I don't know. Anyway. What? No, I don't want to be Jill. I want to be goddamn... I mean, Jill's cool and all, but I want to be my level 9 character, you know? Alright. There's no way I'd be playing this character if it wasn't for Lady Hunk, by the way. Let's see. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Is that, like, considered to be better than this? Yeah, wow. It is better than this. Customized for a larger hit radius. Sonic Assist. Well, yes, get rid of that. Well, shit, I gotta try that now, don't I? Oh, but you know what? If I want to try the daily one, here's what I need. I need this shotgun. And I need to try this out at level 7. Yeah. I really still want to know what the fuck that's all about. Maybe I can hold on. How many kind of parts do I got? I only have one capacity. I got some quick load. Oh, the reload speed's only by 5%. Like, that seems pointless, doesn't it? Alright, well, let's try this. I may be able to... Wait, except it's gonna be different now, isn't it? Recommend level 9. Oh, but I can, like, change that. Right, yeah, see, it changes when you change it. Let's see. I wonder if it's the same mission, but it's because it's midnight now. So maybe it's different. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna take my level 7 weapon and go in here and see what happens. I do have 4 grenades.